Hey, what's going on there? James Bill here. So you're looking for a way to make money online. Well, guys, you're definitely in the right place. Once again, my name is James Bill, and I was just like you about a year ago, searching on YouTube, Facebook, Googling, for ways to earn an income. I was working several hours with a day job that I, kind of dread. I'm not going to talk down on it. I did get paid. It helped me to pay the bills. But, I got tired of the long hours and, just not enough money at the end of the month, if you know what I mean. Anyway, guys, I stumbled across a solution online. And I found a program that, there's a lot of people out there saying that they're making money, But, guys, trust me. Listen to me. If you're serious about making money online, this is the program for you. Newbies and advanced marketers alike are crushing it with this program because it's an earn while you learn program. Yes, you are learning and they teach you a lot, but you start earning from day one, guys, because it's set up like that for you to earn while you learn. And I don't want to do a whole lot of teaching you about it. That's what the system's there for. It's videos and trainings for that. But I'm just here to tell you my story, guys. And I didn't let fear get in the way. And I basically just went for it. And the program cost me $30 to sign up. And I ended up stepping up to another level that was requested by my coach. And I was leery about that. But when I did step up, the money also stepped up, if you know what I mean. And I'm not going to tell you the name of it, but if you click on the link, guys, you go ahead and it's plenty of training there. Like I say, step-by-step training to show you what to do if you've never made one red cent online before. And please subscribe to my channel here. So go ahead and click on the link, and we'll get you started. God bless.